Hey there, my name's Paige, I'm the content creator here at Clipchamp, and in this video today I'm going to be walking you through our amazing new integration with TikTok. So as always, I'm going to use a template for this walkthrough just to make the video a little bit quicker. So I'll head over to our template section and I'll scroll down to our TikTok template collection. So now that's brought up all of our available TikTok templates. So I'll just scroll down and hover over some of them just to see which one I want to use. And this one looks great, so I'll hit the Use Template button, and now that's going to load all of the media into my timeline. Next up, I'm just going to play the video back to make sure everything's in place and it looks the way that I want it to before I can make some final edits. I'm happy with how that looks, but just for this video, to keep things simple, for my final edits, I'll go ahead and add a few transitions in. So I'll drag in the push left transition, then the push down, and then to my favorite transition, which is the spin. And lastly, we'll end it off with the glitch transition. Now I can go ahead and play my video back, have a look at the transitions I just added in, make sure I'm completely happy, and then I can begin exporting. Alright, so I'm completely happy with my video, I'm ready to export, so I'm just going to head over to the right hand side here and click on the export button. I've already titled this TikTok integration, so I'll keep it the same. Choose my resolution and click continue. So now it's going to begin exporting, so I'll quickly just wait for that to finish. Great, so I can see here my export is complete and it has also saved to my computer, but I'll just quickly close that one. And now for the TikTok integration. So you're going to go over here where it says save or share your video, and now the new option of send to TikTok appears. Once you click send to TikTok, you'll need to connect your TikTok account, and like always, you'll just need to authorize this. Now my TikTok account is connected, I can go ahead and send that straight through to TikTok by hitting send. Now the upload's complete, the video has been sent straight through to the TikTok app, and I'm going to receive a notification to let me know my video is ready to post. Now for the next part, I'm going to jump out of the editor and jump straight into the TikTok app on my phone. Now we're over to my phone and I can show you just how simple and easy the integration is to use. So what I'm going to do is jump into the TikTok app and head straight into my inbox, where at the very top I'm going to have a notification from Clipchamp to let me know my video is ready. And then I'll click on this notification for the next step, and there's my video. So now I can go ahead and complete the normal steps to uploading a TikTok as usual. I'll change my title to TikTok integration and post. And that's uploaded. So now when I head over to my TikTok profile, there's the video imported straight from Clipchamp into TikTok. So it's as simple as that to use our new integration with TikTok. We hope you enjoy this feature and we can't wait to see some of your Clipchamp videos on TikTok.